Let's learn how you can receive a payment on Apple Pay. So in this video I will also show you how you can send the Apple Pay because I cannot receive Apple payment now. So what you need to do is to go to wallet first because you need to set up your Apple Cash. So click on it, click on setup, click on continue and go setuping. Then when you're finished with setuping your Apple Cash, you want to go to messages. Let's go somewhere. Right here, to send the payment, you need to click on this plus sign in corner and click on Apple Cash. This contact cannot receive payment at this moment, but that's how you can send and receive the payment on Apple. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.